The Edo State House of Assembly has summoned the lawmaker representing Egor Constituency, Natasha Osawaru, to appear before the Standing Committee on Ethics and Privileges over a viral video that allegedly brought disrepute to the 8th Assembly. Speaker Chief Blessing Agbebaku made the announcement during Tuesday's plenary session in Benin, noting that the video raises serious concerns about the lawmakers' conduct and decorum. According to the Speaker, Osawaru has 1 week to appear before the committee, which has been mandated to investigate the circumstances surrounding the controversial video and submit a full report within 2 weeks. The Assembly says the move is part of ongoing efforts to maintain discipline, integrity, and the public image of the legislative arm. Natasha Osawaru, who is married to Nigerian music icon 2BABA Innocent Idibia, has been involved in several controversies in recent months, including being ordered out of the chamber for improper dressing and the use of dark sunglasses during plenary. She has also faced public scrutiny over her personal relationship with 2BABA. Meanwhile, the House acknowledged a letter from the Federal Road Maintenance Agency, FERMA, requesting a rescheduled appearance now fixed for mid-January 2026. Lawmakers also considered 2 bills for second reading: an amendment to the Edo State Lottery Law and a bill to establish the Edo State Emergency Management Agency. The House has adjourned sitting to Monday, December 8th. For more verified updates, stay with FlipTV. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.